Hey guys, so I have a Samsung TV here and just playing around and I'm realizing that it's not that easy to figure out exactly how to add new apps to the TV. So I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to do that. Now you think that you would just come to your search bar and put it in, but it's not always super simple. So I need to download the YouTube app here. So I'm just going to type in YouTube. We'll just start there. And it gives you the shows first. But if you scroll down, and scroll down, and scroll down, then you get the apps. I thought that was really weird that it was so far hidden. Um, Now, if you go over to the actual apps tab, you can browse through the different apps that are available, but I haven't seen a search bar here, just the different categories of apps, which is very weird to me. And probably you too, that's why you're on this video. But yeah, that search bar up there and then scroll down is where I have been um, searching for and adding new apps when I didn't want to browse through the different categories. So hope that helps. Hope that Samsung makes it a little bit more clear. And I'll see you next time.